Hello friends, what if I tell you hackers can take control of your device without touching it? In today's video, we are going to explore the Bluetooth hacking tools, how to use, which tools, what kind of details they can provide, where we can use, on which kind of systems like smartphone Bluetooth, speakers, earphones, cars. Bluetooth is a wireless communication protocol which provides connectivity between electronic devices. It works as intermediary between gadgets like smartphones, headphones to establish a communication. How hackers exploit Bluetooth? Hackers can exploit Bluetooth vulnerabilities leveraging tools such as like Blueing, Blue Toolkit, and Map Account Hijack tool. These tools are available on GitHub to download. So let's start with first tool, Blueing. Blueing is an intelligence gathering tool for hacking Bluetooth written in Python. It can help us snoop on the internal structure of Bluetooth, which is a complex protocol, or hack the Bluetooth devices. So in this image, we can see the features of Blueing. It can gather the information like host name, Bluetooth address, class of device, controller alias. It helps to discover advertising nearby devices, plugins. We can gather a lot of details using Blueing. So how to install it? Blueing partially depend on the Linux Bluetooth protocol stack. So it only supports Linux operating system. Using this command, we can download all required dependencies for Blueing tool. After installation, run this command to install the Blueing. Sudo pip3.10 install Blueing. Because it is distributed by PayPal and only supports Python 3.10, that's why it is using pip 3.10. So how to use? Blueing space hyphen hyphen help command will provide you the all details of Blueing tool. We can use this command to discover nearby Bluetooth devices, EDR controllers. We can use this command to retrieve information from the HTTP databases of remote Bluetooth device. So a lot of commands are here to print incoming connections from all the nearby Bluetooth devices, snip and guess nearby Bluetooth devices. So LE command used to check the low energy system. So using this command, we can request the pairing feature of a remote device, Android Bluetooth stack. Lot of commands are here. You can go with these commands, go through these commands. So next tool is Blue Toolkit. Blue Toolkit is an extensible Bluetooth classic vulnerability testing framework that helps uncover new and old vulnerabilities in Bluetooth-enabled devices. Blue Toolkit could be used in the vulnerability research, penetration testing, and Bluetooth hacking. It works by executing templated exploits one by one and verifying appropriate property based on the template logic. The toolkit extensible and allows new research to be added to the centralized testing toolkit. As of now, 43 Bluetooth exploits available in the toolkit from known public exploits and tools to customized developed ones. Blue Toolkit framework works in a black box fashion, also possible to operate in a gray box fashion. Using Blue Toolkit framework, 64 new vulnerabilities found in cars, Bluetooth system like Audi, BMW, Honda, Hyundai, Mercedes, and many more. It has a dedicated repository that provides various types of vulnerability templates. Also, it can be used into account hijack attack to elevate privileges for the already established connections or as a chain in MITM and DOS attacks. So, how to install it? Blue Toolkit has two installation stages. First is general and second is specific module. General installation downloads the code, module, and tools available in the toolkit and tries to set up modules that do not require human interaction. Specific module installation requires a human to verify that the needed hardware is connected to the device on which the toolkit is being installed. We can install it on virtual machine, Ubuntu, Debian, Windows, and Mac OS also. So you can extend these buttons for VMware or VirtualBox and VMware. Ubuntu, Debian, you can download using this git command, then change the permission of this install.sh file using change mode command, then run the script install.sh using sudo command. On Windows, VM option is available to install it. So how to use sudo bluekit -h. It will list all available options. -t for target, -l for list exploits, -c for check setups, -ct for check target, for recon purpose -r, -e for exploits, -re to generate report. So we can use these commands to run sudo bluekit -t, then Bluetooth address of the target device, and then -r. It looks like a MAC address. To check the connectivity of Bluetooth, we can use this command. To exploit Bluetooth, we can use this command. For specific exploit, we can mention the exploit name here. To list available all exploits, sudo bluekit -l. Blue Toolkit automatically download all vulnerability and hardware templates. Also, you can write your own templates and check and confirm. So we can see available Bluetooth vulnerabilities and attacks in Blue Toolkit. So vulnerability type, name, category, DOS, MITM, critical, chaining, type here, then verification type, manual or automatic, if hardware is required or not, if they have tested or not. These mini vulnerabilities and templates are showing novel attack, vehicular Nino, contact extractor, insecure NC implementation, these attacks. So these vulnerabilities will be added soon. Lookit is used to find the vulnerabilities in automobile sectors also. In vehicles, Bluetooth is used for speakers to find vulnerabilities in that it is used. So a lot of details are available here. You can go through. Here they have provided the uh, found vulnerability details in different vehicles like Audi in year wise, Bluetooth version, and what kind of vulnerability. BMW, Chevrolet, Honda, Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, Mini, Renault, Skoda, BMW. So you can go through this. So next tool is Map Account Hijack. Here we can see details about it. Map Account Hijack is a security research tool that highlights the serious weaknesses in Bluetooth classic message access profiles, also known as MAP. This profile is commonly used to sync messages between devices, but when it is abused, it can expose sensitive data. The tool demonstrates how attackers could intercept SMS-based one-time passwords, multi-factor authentication codes, potentially allowing them to take over accounts that rely on SMS for login or recovery. In vulnerable scenarios, information like phone numbers, email addresses, and text messages may be accessed or manipulated without the user's knowledge. This tool demonstrates how a victim's phone number can be exposed through weaknesses in Bluetooth Classic. In some cases, the number can be inferred from metadata in previously received SMS messages. In other cases, the attack relies on tricking the victim's smartphone into sending a text message to a number controlled by the attacker, revealing the phone number in the process. Overall, the tool acts as a proof of concept for Bluetooth Classic based attacks and shows these techniques could be combined into larger account hijacking scenarios. It highlights SMS messages and phone numbers can be intercepted, abused when relying on insecure Bluetooth profiles, reinforcing why SMS based authentication remains a risky security dependency. So, here they have provided the steps to hijack Bluetooth accounts. Attacker connects and tries to pair with the victim's smartphones. The attacker might need to spoof the MAC address or spoof the name of device, but it might not be needed at all. Once paired, the attacker asks for map authorization. So it's not needed in some cases, sometimes it requires for smartwatches, cars, and speakers. The tool leaks the phone number of victim either by looking the metadata of SMS messages or sending one the attacker controlled phone number. The attacker uses the phone number in OSINT flow to automatically discover additional helpful information such as email addresses, login names, social media accounts, mobile details, banking details, lot of details they can recover. Then the adversary triggers an SMS-based OTP for a service of interest. Once Bluetooth is hacked, attacker has the access of your multi-factor authentication OTP, so they can get the access of any website account, social media, whatever they would like to access, they can access it. So some details are here. So how to install it? So first install the Python 3 virtual environment, then download this tool using git command, enter into this map account hijack directory using cd command, and run this Python 3 virtual environment to create virtual environment to install it, then run source to virtual environment bin activate command, change the permission of install.sh file using change mode. To run the install.sh script, use sudo command. Then change the configuration in bluetooth.service using sudo vim or vi command. Bluetooth.service is available in user lib system systemd system directory, and add this line in this file and save it. After saving, please restart the Bluetooth the service using this command. Execute all commands. So how to use it? You can use this command source. So before using it, we need to enable the virtual environment using following command. So how to run Python 3 map account hijack.py hyphen hyphen help command. It will list the all available options to get the MAC address of device, destination address, phone numbers, SMS content, backend. You can use these commands to gather the information. With this command, map account hijack.py, then hyphen address, you can add specific these commands. So they have provided some examples also. Python 3 map account hijack.py hyphen hyphen address, then Bluetooth address of device, destination directory to connect to this device and send SMS to specific mobile number. You can send specific numbers also once hijack the profile. Some facts and tricks they have provided here. We can perform the MITM and DOS attack also. Discover almost all Bluetooth classic MAC addresses. So this exploitation can be done within 10-15 meters. So they have provided some examples of Android device. In Android device, only two options are available. Directly it will ask to pair the device. For Samsung, for iOS, how it works, the Bluetooth connectivity to perform the attack and all. So you can perform like spoof MAC address, get the phone number, forces, SMS OTP, extract an OTP. So you can send the OTP for any website like Facebook, Google. You have the access of the Bluetooth, so you can get the OTP. Using that OTP, you can change the password of their account also. So how to discover Bluetooth MAC address of any device? You can use these commands: scan on. To spoof the MAC address, these commands are available. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you guys.